Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to show how to seal the ends of the braids. So you see here I am taking a small strand just from the ends of the braids, and I'm finding the smallest piece I can, maybe about 5 to 10 strands, and I'm just folding it over. Then I'm using my middle finger to wrap it around and pull it through. So I'm going to show you here again in slow motion. Small piece, fold it over, and then use the middle finger to pull it through. And then you want to just pull the whole strand all the way down, and it's secured. If you found that this video was helpful, please subscribe and feel free to comment with any other suggestions for videos you all would like.